Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Microsoft Teams not opening. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply try to force close your application and try to reopen it. If that still doesn't work, then you might want to simply go ahead and check if you have any VPNs enabled, because that does interfere with your connection. Simply turn that off. Also try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data or vice versa to ensure a stable internet connection, and try to toggle on and off your airplane mode just to give it that quick network refresh. If it still doesn't work, you might need to simply check if there are any updates available. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for Teams, just like that. And once you've done that, tap on the application. If there are any updates available, there's going to be an update button on the screen. Simply tap on it and that should fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.